Hi there, students. Fear. Fear is a noun or a verb. Fear is an emotion that is caused by a perceived or a real danger. Now, fear can be a noun. So, fear of the dark, fear of the unknown. Maybe with adjectives, a fear of flying, a paralyzing fear. He feels fear. Now, as a verb, I fear noun. I fear the dark. I fear ghosts. I fear what is going to happen in the future. I fear what will happen. I feared what would happen. He's trying to face his fear of spiders. He expressed his fears about his marriage. Now, for fear that means lest. So, he got up early for fear that he should be late, plus a present subjunctive. I took extra money with me for fear that I might run out, for fear that I could run out. To fear to do something. This is a place where angels fear to tread, but very often with an ing as well. I fear being out alone at night. I fear being attacked by unknown people. So to fear the effects of something. So fear. A fear of heights. A fear of missing out. To have no fear, to have no fear at all. So, fear.